I come from the Christian life, Austin, Mass or worshipping now. What a wonderful experience. I gotta make a video about it where I talk a bit more. It won't be a long video, but I really love it. It was a great experience. I have a problem with, not the seatbelt, low tire pressure. And I had this for like the last, right? I had this for the last 3 days. And I think it's just the cold, because it's 37 degrees Fahrenheit. And I don't know what to do now, because I can't call anyone from Alamo where I rented the car, because I don't have it unlocked on my SIM card. It's just bad. It's just a bad situation. And it's this car, this tire here. You see that? It's having a little. It's having a little dent. This one doesn't. Right? It's missing air, and it lost air over the night because yesterday. Air, you can pull it out. Air $2. Okay, I paid $2 for nothing for this one air pump, and now let's check this one here. Geht das überhaupt dann an? Okay, $3. Okay, that air thing says it has 33 psi. It worked. Okay, my guess is now that you don't fill up the air of a tire here completely, because with the heat it will expand, right? That's a Texas thing. I did it now on 38, even though this is the 34. I aimed for 37, but I don't know. It's just that way. That's the bullshit thing here. Half of the air gone into the air. Now I will check if there is a loss or not, and that's why I plan to go to Lockhart, to Barb's BQ, but now I don't know. It's not. I don't think I should do it, because I lost like 10 psi, I guess, and I don't wanna try it. I gotta figure out what I can do now here in Austin. I gotta piss. Guys, I'm on the scenic drive. It's not the best view. There were better viewpoints, but I can't stop here and park, so I have to give you this one. It's a nice little place here. I think that one there is the Oasis. Oh, scheiße, da kommt einer. Where a lot of people go to for eating and drinking, and you have an amazing view. I drove a little bit around Austin, more like the northwest, and I ended up on Mount Bonnell. I mean, there are bigger mounts, and it's a nice view. It's a nice view. The air quality here in Austin is actually so good. And then you see something like this. This is the rich people's area here, right? Like Terrytown, also very nice houses. But look at that. Everyone that comes here on Mount Bonnell can look into your house, or at least your property. And I don't know, that would bother me so much. They would bother me so much. Look at it. What the hell, man? Look at those things. Guys, ladies, I'm watching someone. Okay, I'm sitting in the car now because this Raising Cains was super loud music, and it wasn't the nicest place to record this video, because I'm new to it and I'm not willing to do some stuff like that in a Raising Cains. First of all, this is the order. I got the box combo, or whatever it's called, with a drink. This is illegal in Europe, you know that, right? This is illegal, that's why I get those. Like first I try the Coke, as always. There is supposedly a difference between European and Mexican Coke. I don't know. So far, every Coke tastes the same for me. I have to have the AC on and the car on because I'm standing in the sun and it's so hot when I don't have it on. This guy told me that most people get a double fry instead of the coleslaw. I did this as well. It was super fast, by the way. I don't know why you would like to eat this. I think it's with the chicken. Now let's try the fries. They are hot. Incredible that the order was so fast and it's still hot. I didn't look how they make it because I was getting the drink from the fountain and then it was ready, like instantly. Some semi-fried toast or brioche. Okay. It's okay. Do you know what kind of part they use from the chicken? It's good. There could be some more flavor. There definitely could be some more flavor. But for fast food, or I don't know what it's supposed to be, this is definitely good. And I would say, okay, the fries are okay. They could be, I don't know, they could be some more crispier. They don't have much color. But the chicken, and overall, I would say it's even better than McDonald's. Like, I would rather go here than McDonald's. Okay, I'm halfway through. There's only the fries left. But what is selling it is definitely the chicken. The fries are okay. Perhaps you can tell me if the Raising Cains with the Raising Cains Post Malone collaboration, if that's actually the best Raising Cains. But it's in Dallas, right? Texas heat is so strong. I gotta turn it down for now. Okay, I finished it. I understand why you would go to Raising Cains. And the chicken is definitely good, but for me there could be like one piece of chicken more, but a little bit less fries. I asked this guy what most people buy, or what most people get, and then I took that. I didn't question it, or I don't know, it's $14. It's like €12. Definitely affordable. Definitely more affordable than any barbecue place here. Oh, it's so hot today. Standing in the sun is no fun here in Texas. It's 55 Fahrenheit. It's, I don't know what, 8 degrees Celsius. And it's so hot in the sun. It's crazy. The chicken is only crunchy because there are those flour or dough things on it. The chicken itself is not crispy. But overall, Raising Cains, very good. Like, the burgers that I got here, they were all mediocre. Like, you can get the same thing in Germany. So I would recommend Raising Cains definitely for anyone that is on vacation here in America. I don't know, they are everywhere, right? Not only Texas. So yeah, Raising Cains, definitely thumbs up. And that is the secret beach. The ducks. But I don't know, man. I wouldn't come here alone. Doesn't look that friendly here. There was one guy coming in my direction. Wasn't the nicest. In case of anyone from Austin goes here, tell me why. I don't want to die here, so I go back to the car. I got the classic tenders, I think. And some fries. Okay, these fries have spice on it. It's a nice try to make it different, but I don't think that I would prefer those over, I don't know, Whataburger or some other fries with normal fry situation. I don't know, or with no coating. So the bun looks nice. I like when the bun looks like that, but it's a bit dry from the outside. What do you get here? We got some chicken and some cucumber. Okay. This is actually a nice burger. So the burger itself is not crispy anymore. But this is a nice burger. I really like it. But I'm a cucumber guy or pickle guy. So, in case you don't like it, I think the sandwich is half as good. By the way, I think I understand now where people here in America go so often to these fast food places. First of all, convenience. You already sit in your car and you can just hop in there. There's everything, everywhere are parking spaces. You don't have that much in Germany. Or you have the drive-through. That's very convenient. And it's just so cheap, right? I paid $60 at a barbecue place. I would say I spent the same amount of money at any kind of restaurant. And here I paid $10 for, okay, I would perhaps like for $15 I get a whole meal for a guy like me. For this one burger with the small fries, it's not a meal for me. But that's a huge difference. Like I can buy 4 times fast food instead of 1 restaurant meal. I don't know how it is to cook at home because I can't cook in this Airbnb. That might be probably cheaper. That will be cheaper. But I understand Americans going to fast food places and getting their food from there.